All right, I've got them soldered in, routed. I ran them under the pickup wire. I just felt that gave me the best tidy look, and I've cut the links down so there's no chance these leads can touch either the hot lead or each other, so they're isolated even though they don't look it. All I'm going to do next is going to put a little dab of glue on that thing to hold it in place so it can't slide in or out. I also made a deeper pocket for the magnet, so as you can see it's a little more recessed, but it rotates freely now, no banging, touching, and it fires off this sensor. I've found that if I rotate it too fast, we might lose the trigger signal, so maybe at high speeds we could lose the chuff sound. I'm not sure. We're going to test that and see. That may mean I need to do a different angle on the sensor, but I'm going to leave it for now. It looks so good. It just really feels right. I got the wiring the way I like it. You can see how neat that is and how neat this is. It's not complicated, it's not globbed with adhesives and stuff, and it just wraps right up. I can shorten this if I want and plug it right in, but I left it long so I had plenty of room to bring the wire up and around. That seemed to help a lot in the whole process. Right now I'm shortening and thinning down the tow bar. We're going to be making it a little narrower and a lot shorter, and that's going to maintain that tight coupling, I hope. I have to put a threaded insert into this opening so I can put that on, but that's I use the hot iron for that, and it melts down in, no pressure, and that way this I can do it right like this and nothing will get harmed or moved around. Plus I want to add the adhesive. So while that is printing, I'm going to be doing those bits, and once that's on and I test fit that, I'm going to put it on some track and just see how it plays, how it rolls, everything's working properly, and if it looks good and feels good, then I'll try to put it on the track. As you can see, we've got nice movement here, a little tug but nothing serious. We can always pull in extra if we need it. And I think this is going to work out just great for us. I really do. We still have our suspension system, and we still have our rotation. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm not watching myself today. Okay, so there we are. Looks like I lost my outer piece on that. I know that happens once in a while when I go too deep. I'm going to have to create a deeper recess for that thread, because some of these bolts are longer. Either that or I'm going to cut the bolts down, but I don't think I want to go through that. I think it's easier to make that longer next time. So when I get this done and we test it, I'll make another video of the 310. I'm hoping we see it going around smoking like a chimney, okay? So I'll get back to it later.